Hello Achievers, my name is Omkarachari K. I'm the CEO and founder of Hopelight Technologies. So we kept this name Hopelight Technologies because this was the last ray of hope which was remaining for me to be able to get out of my problems. So I'll talk about this later. So on this auspicious day of Deepawali, I would like to tell you a small story about hope, right? So there was a father and a son. So both of them were actually there was a father and son. Father was having a very good decent business which was very successful. So all of a sudden COVID lockdown started, right? So he was not able to run the business as successfully as he was. um, so few of the people, so he stopped salary for 1 or 2 months. So of the people left him, right? So a few of the people were working with him left him. So he had to sell his property, he had to sell his car, everything, and come back to road to be able to maintain the business, make it still going at least, right? So the son suddenly asks, Dad, we had a lot of luxury, a lot of comfort, but so to run this small business, why are you just selling off everything and getting us into the road? Okay, the dad didn't answer anything. Like asks him to weigh the chapel. So he takes him to a forest. Inside the forest, there is a small well. So he asks the son to just jump into the well. The son was really surprised. He was scared and like he was just looking at his dad's face. What is he telling, right? So this dad says, "Jump." Son is still confused. Dad didn't say third time. He just threw him into the well and just went into hiding. Son tried to swim back, push his legs, push his hands, try to breathe out of water. He is not able to breathe. He is not able to swim. So he shouts, "Dad, save me, save me." Dad comes and saves the son. So next day, he again takes to the same forest, same well, so asks him to jump. The son didn't think too much, he just jumped in. So he tried to breathe, he tried to move his legs, he tried to move his hands, he tried to swim out of water. 5 minutes passed by, 10 minutes passed by, 15 minutes passed by. Now he shouted, he thought like he's not able to swim out. He shouted, "Dad, save me, Dad, save me." Dad comes, jumps into the water, saves the son, sits with him, asks him, "Son, like first time when I asked you to jump into the water, you was not able to take the courage to jump in. So second time when I asked, you didn't think too much and you jumped into the water. Why?" Son was thinking, right? Again, dad asked, "So you're not able to stay 5 minutes in the water first time. How are you able to stay 15 minutes in the water this time?" Son was like, I was just trying to push my legs, push my hands. I thought I can get out of here, and I had hope that you'll come and save me, right? So dad replied, "So it's the same thing with a business as well, son, right? We should keep moving things with the ray of hope, believing in the people who are around you." That's what I did from the day one. That's what I'm doing still today at Hope Light Technologies, right? So whenever you are in tough situation, don't just give up. Like have a ray of hope, right? Think positively. It's okay losing everything, right? So happy Diwali to you, all of you. Have a great, blissful year ahead for you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Smitavi. I'm working as an engineering director. So working at HLT was a great experience for me, and it was a very different kind of an experience. First, I started with zero knowledge, and now I have more than 100% knowledge in software and development. So here I just not learned about development, but I also learned about leadership skills, management skills, and so many things. So it was my pleasure working here, and Like I would like to wish a very happy Deepawali to each and everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sushma. I am working as a business development manager in HLT Software Solution. Here I got the best opportunity to achieve myself. To set high goal to the golden future, I wish you happy Diwali.